Hello friends, welcome to Truth of Physics. Today in this video I will discuss the subtraction of binary numbers using 1's complement method. Previously I have made various videos on electronics, so the link of the playlist of electronics I will give in the description box of this video, and you can watch those previous videos from that. So suppose we have two numbers. The main difficulty in our conventional method, in the subtraction method of our conventional method, was that suppose we have two numbers 5, 6, and when we subtract these two numbers by conventional method, there is an error. There is occurring an error, which I discussed in the previous video, the lecture number 5 of electronics. And we know that the result should be -1. So here if I use 1's complement method here, so that will be justified. You will understand after some time that here in 1's complement method this error is overcome. Now what is 1's complement method? Suppose we have to operate this thing, okay, this subtraction. So the binary equivalent of these numbers are what? The binary equivalent of 5 is 101 and of 6 is 110, right? So we have to subtract these two. Now in 1's complement method the process is like this, that the number that is to be subtracted here, this is the number 110 that has to be subtracted from this number 101. So this number 110, this number, we have to form the 1's complement of this number first. So step number 1 is form the 1's complement of the number that has to be subtracted. So we have to form the 1's complement of this. Now how can we form 1's complement? So 110, to form the 1's complement of this number, we have to just change the complement. We have to just put the complement of each bit. That is, the complement of 0 is 1, the complement of 1 is 0, and the complement of 1 is 0. So this number is the complement of this. Okay, the 1's complement, this number is the 1's complement of this. Now so this will be what? The 1's complement. We have to form the 1's complement. It is our step number 1. So 1's complement of this number is what? 001. Okay, now the number, now we have to add this 1's complement with this number. Okay, so this is our second step. Add this with the number. Now we have to just add these two numbers. So 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is what? 10. So here will be 0 and 1 carry. Okay, so this will be 1 and this will be 1. Now the next process is, here you can understand that the leftmost position, that is this position, here we have no carry. Okay, here this is just 0 plus 1 is 1. So here we have no carry. In this case where there is no carry in the leftmost position, there the result, this is our result, this is in a negative form. Okay, the result will be, when this case arises, then we have to understand that the result will be negative, and in 1's complement of this number, that is the actual result, the actual subtraction result will be the 1's complement of this number and will be negative. Okay, so the 1's complement of this will be what? Just 001, the 1's complement of this. So this will be this. Okay, and this will be binary, and we have to put a minus sign before this number, because this number is now a negative, which represents a negative because there is no carry in the leftmost position. So this will be our answer. So this will be our answer. Now we can justify this, that the decimal result was -1, so the binary result should be -1 also, and you can easily understand that its equivalent is what? -1, the decimal -1. If it is converted in decimal, then it will be -1. so it is justified. So this is our 1's complement method. Now it is case number 1 where there is no carry, but if we have a carry in the leftmost position, then what happens? So we'll understand now. Suppose we have two numbers 1101 and 1010. Its equivalent is what? 10, decimal equivalent, and its equivalent is 13. So the subtraction will be, the result will be 3. Okay, now we have to subtract these two. So this is the number which has to be subtracted from this number, so we have to form its 1's complement first, step number 1. So its 1 complement will be what? 0 1 0 1, and we have to just add these two numbers. Now 1 1 is 0, carry 1 1, 0 carry 1, and this there will be 1 plus 1 means 0 and carry 1. So here this is what? This is our carry. Here is a carry 1, right? Now in this case where there is a carry in the leftmost position, then the answer will be what? Then we have to just remove this carry. You have to just remove this, remove this, and add to the remainder. We have to just add this one with this remainder part. That means the actual result will be 0 0 1 0 plus this carry 1. So this will be 1 1 0 0. So this is our binary result of this subtraction. This is our result. Okay, now we can justify this, that this is what? This is its binary, its decimal equivalent is 3. So this is justified, this 3 and this 3. So this is justified. So this is our method of subtraction in 1's complement method. So if we generalize, or if we the conclusion of these things is that we have to first make the 1's complement of the number that has to be subtracted. Step number 2 is add this with the number, and our third step is we have to observe that what is our result. If there is any carry in the leftmost position, then we have to just remove it and add this to the remainder portion, okay, like this. And if we have no carry in the leftmost position, then the answer is negative and in 1's complement form of the actual result. Okay, that is, the answer is in 1's complement form of this result, like the previous case which I have just explained. If you are benefited from this video, then like this video and share this video with your friends. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for the upcoming notifications of latest videos. So thank you for watching.